Hey everybody from Las Vegas. This is Gordon Galvan. He was elected president of the board of the Alameda County Fair Association, and you can read the entire story here at oaklandnewsnow.com. Pleasanton says Gordon Galvan is Alameda County Fair Association Board President. The Alameda County Fair Association has elected Gordon Galvan as president of the board. Galvan is a government relations consultant, was first appointed to the board by Wilma Chan in 2005. I'm honored to carry on the rich tradition of our fair. I look forward to leading our dynamic and forward-thinking team who are committed to making the Alameda County Fair the best in the country, Galvan remarked. As much as he enjoys the inner workings of the fair, he also enjoys going to the track, sampling corn dogs, and hitting the midway with his children. Galvan has fond memories of attending the fair with his parents and enjoys continuing that tradition with his own family. I will leave the rest for you to read here at Oakland News Now. Congratulations to Gordon Galvan, who is elected president of the board of the Alameda County Fair Association. Please subscribe to Zinni62 on YouTube for more from CES 2019 Las Vegas. Even though this wasn't a part of it, it was very important to report.